Thank you for taking a few moments to review the innovative work between VEERUM and Cumulus. VEERUM and Cumulus have integrated their construction status and productivity tracking platforms. Cumulus's system tracks the end-to-end work progress, and VEERUM visualizes the joint status. Cumulus's system ensures end-to-end quality and productivity for each flange joint completion in the following steps: tagging of individual joints, digital inspections during joint breakdown and/or disassembly, joint assembly and makeup, joint tightening with digital connected tools verifying torque values, final joint QC and QA inspections, and digital check sheets and work completion data. Joints are color-coded based on completion status. They are automatically visualized in VEERUM's 3D visualization platform, where it is easy to locate joints and visualize the status. Gray means untouched, joints that have not yet started the overall workflow. This status is the initial status for uploaded joints. Yellow means hold, joints that have completed a portion of the workflow but have a hold point where QC is required to release the joint for further completion. Blue means tightened, joints that have been tightened by the mechanical contractor and are still in work. Green means QA passed, joints that have been accepted and are deemed complete. Red means QC failed, joints that have failed a field inspection and require rework or other remediation. By selecting a joint, you can access its information and view the evidence collected during completion inspection. Photos are accessible directly in the platform. VEERUM and Cumulus clients are using our systems to improve safety, prevent on-site rework, reduce schedule overruns, and verify design-to-field integrity, keeping an accurate digital record of the asset.